You don't know a jihad is the militant. Global boss, the militant boss. Upon the church, yeah? All praise due to Allah. Gaza and I'm a cipher. Politics me deal with straight to the Gaza strip. Don't know the Muslim Gaza DJ, straight now Lindsay. But today topic I'm gonna discuss a Tony matter and the verses clash. But before I'm going at that, I look at science here. Most 5% I say science when I explain certain thing. Julie Manga. A nice thing, But for years this mango tree in my grandmother yard. I know say a couple years ago, me complain say I never see this mango tree, this mango seed bloom yet. And I try so much time to catch it to bloom. And it never bloom. So I complain about it to our next man. And the man tell me say it's not a native mango. So I say, what do you mean not a native mango? Because they grow in Jamaica. They come from somewhere seems to know it's two native mango. Put them together, you get Julie mango. Two original mango, you get Julie mango. Some call it genetic engineering, some call it crossbreed mango. 5% we call it grafted mango, and you have hybrid mango. So these are names you get. When you mix two things together, you get something they call it hybrid or all type of name. But I'm the best mango this, they're man Julie mango. But alright, so I'm gonna throw them at one. And to know for Lindsay, the Christian artist them, who promote Christianity, as they believe that them Christian thing. In so much no man that can build a Gaza Christian in a Lindsay. So go on with man of prison. For man of prison. I don't like it, because we're not sure nothing worth in Lindsay. I don't know chat. But anyway, so to the matter on, the verse that Clash me learn about it on social media, SoundCloud fraternity, me see it on my Facebook timetable. So we can catch it this Saturday, and when we catch it, I start the man I go through hard up, go buy about being and business, bounty and business. So I don't want to watch it. So when we catch it back, catch it late. About 15 minutes I me catch it less. But anyway, Tony Matter make a comment. I can't Tony Matter him say never watch it. I replay and watch and he make a comment and people go berserk. I have some people, him right when he said enough people are sell out. But I don't know if they try to get people to do some live stream with him. Then he make a comment there. I don't think him they try, but him just say people are sell out and them are going to oversee people or whatever. Him have a point, but I think him should explain it more. But the reason I make it because people talk about him to apologize. Can you believe some Jamaican tell big Tony Matron, big icon of select to apologize to Swiss Beats and Timbaland? Jamaica them put Jamaican upon them something. Them deal with America and them bounce round. And next time they might put two Latino country upon them verses. Same put Jamaica and Jamaica get the biggest views. Caribbean people going out there, overseas people. But the clash then get to be the man. America, the Billboard charts and them sitting there. But no people say 20, even on SoundCloud return, no selector say 20, people shouldn't get 20 dub play some more. In the time of coronavirus, where man might have stuck up on dub. It's because of the coronavirus virtual thing I get live now, even Zoom is getting more popular now because, by them hosts. And it's a good thing people do them virtual thing and interview and party online. But why would 20 have to apologize? Social media, you make comments. And him never say nothing derogatory. But this is people, just because they can type, they just blah, 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 blah. Me some man just blah, 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 I mean, I write something conscious and accurate, even it might be effective. Me not write about it. Because first of all, I have to study it. But like when me say, I don't know if Tony Matter and they try to get artists to do live on film in Instagram page. Why him said I don't know. But if he never tried, it make him comment, him have a reason why I make it. I just saw it go. Me personally, if he want to apologize for him business, if he did apologize for him business, but me, him not should apologize. Yeah. Him not who apologize to Swiss Beats and Timbaland. But Jamaican people sell out. None for them are just so weakling, desperate to get attention. So they write that type of thing. Nothing on social media, It big views and come, but it don't want no weight in the real world. Yeah, because me know they now want no way for Tony Matter. Well, me don't know, because I don't have to apologize. But so, it don't want no weight, And some sector, If you try to build their own name, then I try and shut down people name for some local stupid thing. So American put something up there, so it's a big deal, all right. Politician them watch it. Big celebrity watch it. What's the big that social media? A lot of things politician watch. You know what I say? But as the militant boss, I love me look militant promotion, you know. See the militant I have to dress like, you know. Yeah. I wanna like it. Muslim gather themselves. This is the thing when I promoting a dancehall music day. You know what I say? You have to dress like a militant music. See the king thing there? The queen, the first queen, second queen, the first king, second king, and the militant just so. You know what I say? So I put with dance all day. So I have to continue now since the economy are open up now and get some sponsor and support and open a business. You know, economy. Give jobs and make some money. Can each man listen people just love chat. Love to repeat. Not a big man like me. But anyway, that's what I say. No, in the clash, no people get born to the clash can come and say something about between him and whatever. All right. I expect Beenie Man to win anyway. But you know, Beenie Man is saying not going to clash nobody, I'm going to play music. But if you're a king, you're supposed to be prepared. If you check history in Rome or even Europe and Africa and Asia, king died till them dead. King war till them dead. They don't just become king and want to live peaceful because they know say people got test them. But we get born to the respect because him saying one Beenie Man before he come there. So Bounty got to prepare. Because clash, you know. You have to draw something and the double Bounty draw, you have to give Bounty respect. In a Jamaica, I would have given the winnings, but the American them say I Beenie Man win the last person, my champion, Billboard. And a clash. Now Jamaica, I give Bounty the clash because the hardcore. But yet they want the hardcore sect like Mataran to come apologize for some social media thing. You know what I say? I understand them sent there. And speaking of hardcore, you know, say last time Bounty and Beenie got on stage before I was 2004, I think, yeah. When Bounty do a song with the white lady in England, Steph Warner, whatever she name. And Beenie and Bounty kick up because I sang because in the video, a naked man as King Poopa like in a Bounty kill a video. So Beenie Man make a song. Who me attack all along more compensate I call man chichi man when me see me not video with a naked man. But Bowen said the video make separate but I see a video. So Beenie Man come off with that one there. Yeah, me give Beenie Man that one there. The song what Beenie Man come with him when I want to come chat the truth. But that's the last time Bowen time been kick off night 2004 to my memory. But you know, so respect them still because them bring back no memory. Because anytime you hear Bowen and Beenie a clash, memories pop up in their head, you know, what got man, what, but want to draw the thing and then win. So I will give him the winners. When I go by way America, I say, but I feel them things, American thing versus I feel them things. So then Billboard get to be in, so it got no big deal. But likewise, when I say all this thing, people do think for online fame they do for them thing too. TV and watch fame, you know. So it's not like say versus at the only person, our only group was doing live thing. Jamaica that do them thing, but Jamaica just never put two big man for clash. Then just put select upon them TV. So that's why people go crazy on Facebook and when me not use Instagram, but me depend it. Or YouTube I talk about this thing. Like say Jamaica no do virtual thing as entertainment people can watch on TV or even on social media. They make it look as say the American come with this thing. American start something in verses. Fame do for them thing and select them put. They never put two artists to really go do them same thing. But them to do them same thing. But like when I say, no local people, them just love to itch up and then desperate to get attention from foreign people. Just enough for them. No, Bounty is the icon. I always see him as an icon. You know? When they do collaboration with enough R&B artists. But when the media, news media, when Popcorn signed with Drake, Drake link Popcorn to do Popcorn song, you know. That's when me remember them say. And they say Popcorn didn't get no royalty from that song. And the company radio, music TV, music program, listen. And they say they're not honest. And these are the publicists, you know. That's it. Or they can't bash things. Because I say, me not say Carter to be free at prison. Because I never the publicists them on TV I thought that who don't like my Gaza career, who DJ some Muslim song and me claim Gaza. And them can't even make a report about it. So let's find for them scatter there, whatever they want to call themselves. Because 2020, I never need them anywhere. You understand? Respect those one thing I don't argue people in the workplace now. And I listen, me can't even apply for internet banking in a Scotia bank. When me apply for 2011, they go in and medicine and change up things. So I'm going to enter back in there. So me not argue when people in the workplace, when they rule it, leave it at this. Leave it as it is. You understand me? I say, so I assure you, everybody go through their ups and downs. But the people them say, Pap cannot get no royalties. Him only get handout money. Couple thousand US dollar or whatever. Whether at 20 or 30 a money. But when the song sell, him not get none. So right now for 2020 and the song just start sell because some media bring it up back in America and Canada, Pap cannot get no cent out of it. Now in that aftermath now, Bounty come on program on TV and him say him go to the same thing. Me couldn't believe Bounty say that. And it's like say him a justify it's okay, I saw them to things. And him say, and them say him a icon. So I'm the Beenie Man and Elephant who go sing with Janet Jackson and Maya. So no of them not getting right there. And it's Bounty Killer say I saw it go. So I'm to the 90 when he sing with Frequan and the lady will sing It's a Party and Refugees, him not getting the right party. Me only asking I don't know because the man come and say him not get none of that. When him sing with the English woman, he get media attention. So I don't know if I want to link the woman or the woman linking, but you're big already. So how could this artist see you as a small fish? you know? You know, we say Bob Marley said the big fish and small fish, you know. So, you know, Bob Marley I might look for as that. I mean, I go by with the other one, them use fish as a sexual thing. And then go to you and you're not getting the royalties. And these are the artists who don't tell Jamaican artists they must stop this thing. How long it will go now? So 20 more years. When an American, England, or Canadian artist look on your career and come to you, they might go get you sign a contract and you're not getting the royalties from the collaboration. Me not understand them manner. But you see, Jamaicans can't say them bad. They can't say them, them can't say them bad. And them can't say them shoot people, Jamaican people bad, America, England, Canada. When it comes to the brain, come like say England, America, and Canada is better than the Jamaican up here. Intellect, because knowledge is supreme. Intelligence. So you see, I say the artists, them don't want to change the dancer thing in Jamaica. But they love go on collaboration and not get the royalties. And them say them an icon. And when these journalists write about this art, they say international star. Popcorn, an international star. And when international artists have collaborated with you, you don't get no money. You're supposed to get the money two ways. You're supposed to get it from the sales and the collaboration. I mean, but I'm on doing thing. They say my big artist, but I don't agree upon that, you know. But me only prepare for it. Because I know me and me. In America, I go and I know say New Edition get robbed. Big in the 80s, Shannon get robbed. Enough artists get robbed out there. All them get a look a couple $1,000 and no royalties, no sales, them not get nothing. And if you're in music for so long, you say them like 90s, then I moved from 95 and whatever. And no royalties. So how many DJ out there where do collaboration with American artists? They not get no royalty too. So I have to just wonder, because that was a big topic when Popcorn and then bring it out. I don't remember when Bounty Killer sing with the other white woman, them talk about him not getting the royalty. But from Popcorn, it came out. I don't know why that one came out. See, people get more social, want for reason or they want to instigate and make topic about it. You know, back then, there was no social media in the early 2000s. Jamaica know about certain things, I even care about things. But right now, since the Popcorn and Drake thing, it became a media birth, but I don't say what I go on still now. But like when I say, if me ever reach that way, I just say militant, me give them militancy. Me always balancing on my militant stance. Me lyrics them in hands, courage to advance. Plenty low life people don't like how me talk, make a mistake to man. And not them using the Bible chastising the gays. Where the global boss is out, you know, the militant boss. Back from Julie Mango.